This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We are here on our warehouse account. As you can see, we're at a GoPuff, and we already swept the floors, but I'm mopping. We're moving. He's dusting the shelves right now. What we do here is we dust the shelves, sweep, mop, take out the trash, and disinfect and sanitize all multi-touch points. Okay, so we'll be cleaning these glasses, sanitizing and wiping these down, all the touch points here. All right, even the light switches. Do the light switches, and there's a bathroom. So got some stains on the floor. All right, pretty big warehouse. There's an office here we do. And then we have the bathroom. Alright. So we'll get this done. It's roughly going to take us about 2 hours, maybe 2.5. And we'll get it clean and sanitized. As you can see, I am mopping. And we got some stains here. So there's a natural floor cleaner. There's a finish on this concrete. A sealer, I should say. You don't put a finish on concrete. You seal concrete. So these are like soda juice from things spilling in the cooler. So getting all those up. These are normally the problem areas, right in front of the cooler. You'll even see it at the Family Dollar, on our Family Dollar videos. Coolers are always messed up in front of the cooler. It's hard to film with one hand, gotta get a GoPro. Actually, need some more water. So we're getting both of the areas double passing. That way it's both getting wiped. Flip it. We are in the second building of the other warehouse. We got 2 bathrooms on this side, right there and over there. And now we just had the warehouse start. So we start the process of sweeping. Then the other technician's gonna come over. He's gonna get the shelves. We're gonna dust the shelves just like we did in the last one and do the mopping. And of course, clean the bathrooms and take out trash. All right, stay tuned. All right, so getting the mopping. Just did this bathroom. And you can see he's sanitizing and disinfecting the tables. These are the break room tables. And then we have the shelves. And of course the refrigerators, the multi-touch there, the touch points over there. All right, and like I said, I'm mopping now. It's a big bathroom here. This bathroom is huge. doing the back and forth motion for video purposes. Normally this is not the most efficient way to mop, but I want to show you how we get this done. Kind of used to going back and forth though from the carpet cleaner, from using the carpet wand. Not missing any areas overlapping where we previously mopped. There's no streaks. When you see streaks and you're mopping, that means it's time to dip the mop in the solution again. That's what that means. No streaks, it's clean. It's neutralized, it's a natural cleaner, natural floor cleaner. So, we're all finished. All right, stay tuned. Dusting. Just seeing was a short clip of our janitorial cleaning at a GoPuff location. We also do a janitorial at a Ross location as well. So stay tuned and we'll have some more videos to post. And if you like what you see, please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to the cleaning. Thank you.